Hey, welcome back to the shop. I'm doing a quick video on signing the bottom of your bolts or signing pieces. I normally use a LaserPecker 2. It's a laser engraver. I like this thing on the basic for like the basic model. I think it's like $300 something. You can get it from Amazon. What I like about this one is that you can use your iPhone and bring any pictures that you want. You can even change them around. This is my signature here, so I'll pick my size, blah blah blah, and hit. And here's a video of the laser engraving working. By the way, I did try the hot iron too. I personally did not like it, and it takes a lot of time to heat it up. I also had an electric one, didn't like it either. So, having said that, I put my signature in pieces. Is this already signed? Yeah, this is the one you just saw. I'm sleeping. I want to put the like a number, because my bolts are going to a store and they need to be priced, and you can't really attach nothing to a bolt. So if I number them, then I can have a sheet with the prices corresponding to that number. And I don't want to create an image for every number, like, you know, consecutive going up. So I picked up one of this Dremel Stylo or Stylo. I'm not sure. These are like $44 Canadian in Amazon. You can also get them at Home Depot. It comes with all this goodies here. I just tried the smallest one, and this is a plug-in one. They used to have an older version that it was a cordless, but people didn't like it. This one seems to be pretty good. I find so I was like practicing here, because you kind of need to get the hang of it, because it kind of tries to run away one way. For example, I on this little trial here, I realized that slower is better, but I think it's just quiet though. I'm not doing necessarily a review on it, or got nothing to do with them, but that's the top speed there, and you can barely hear it. But anyways, they're on number 3, so hopefully you can see this. If you try to do a circle like that, you run into a problem. But if you do half your circle and then the other half, it seems to work better. Same thing with doing lines. If you're doing lines that way, up and down, but sideways is kind of hard, it tends to do one of this, so you have to like do your straight lines this way and then switch over and do your crisscross like that. Yeah. Anyways, I don't know if ever wonder what people use. You actually write with it. Yeah. My writing is awful, even with a pen. So, anyways, I thought I share this. I think it's a really good find, and it's fairly inexpensive. So I'm gonna continue working on this guy. This is for a client of mine. They're also friends of ours, so it's a request. I just have to sand a little bit here along the edge, and because the bark is gonna get oiled, and the put this away here. Yes, all nice, neat, and organized here. Always is, but the inside is gonna remain the way it is. And that's it. Anyways, thanks for hanging out. I'll see you in the next one. Ciao, ciao.